Welcome to Knowledge Hour. I am Komal Jan and our today's topic is prepositions. Today we are going to discuss the definition of prepositions and the types of prepositions. Before moving forward, जिन्होंने भी अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि उन्हें मेरी हर वीडियो की रेगुलर अपडेट मिलती रहे. बिफोर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड लेट मी गिव यू एन इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन कि हमने ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन ट्यूशन क्लासेस स्टार्ट कर दी हैं. बाकी की इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको स्क्रीन पे अवेलेबल हैं. फॉर मोर डिटेल्स यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट और व्हाट्सएप ऑन द गिवन नंबर. You can also connect with us through our app and through Instagram. The link is given in the description box. चलिए अब बिना किसी डिले के वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. So first is the definition of preposition. Preposition is a word that tells us the relationship between a noun and other words of a sentence. They help us understand order, time connections, positions of the noun. For example, I am going to Canada next week. So where is the I going? I is going to Canada. What is the time connection? That is next week. The gift is inside the box. So where is the gift? It tells the preposition here that is inside tells us the position of the gift that is inside the box. Next is types of preposition. So the first type of preposition is prepositions of time. First is during. It is used when something happens within the time. For example, we stayed at a student hostel during the conference. For, used with a period of time. I am just going to bed for 2 hours or so. Until, till, up to a certain time, यहाँ तक. We will wait till or until 6:30 for you. 6:30 तक ही wait करेंगे. Since refers back to a point in time when something began. 40 years have passed away since they met. So here the confusion lies. What is the difference between for and since? जब हम फॉर यूज़ करते हैं तो वहाँ ड्यूरेशन आती है, टाइम का ड्यूरेशन 2 आवर्स 3 आवर्स 2 वीक्स 3 वीक्स 7 डेज. ओके, जब सिंस यूज़ करते हैं तब हमें स्पेसिफिक टाइम का पता होता है कि यहाँ से हमने स्टार्ट करा था. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर यू सिंस 1 PM. सो 1 PM यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक है आपका. आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर यू फॉर 2 आवर्स. यहाँ पे ड्यूरेशन है कि 2 घंटों से मैं वेट कर रही हूँ. कब से वेट कर रही हूँ ये नहीं पता, सिर्फ ड्यूरेशन पता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम टू. इट इज़ यूज टू शो व्हेन समथिंग बिगिन्स एंड एंड्स. हर विजिट विल एक्सटेंड फ्रॉम मंडे टू थर्सडे. स्टार्टिंग इज मंडे, एंडिंग इज थर्सडे. Ago refers to how far back in time something happened. He left the house over an hour ago. Before. It refers to any time previous to a specific point in time. She is always up before dawn. By. Not later than. He had promised to be back by 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock से पहले पहले वो आ जाएगा. After, used when we want to say later in time then. I felt fairly relaxed after taking the medicine. Medicine लेने के बाद. 2. Telling the time when referring to the number of minutes before the hour. It's a 1:45. Past refers to the amount of time past the hour. It's 10:05. Between and. To talk about time that separates 2 points. Between मतलब बीच में. They lived in New York between 1998 and 2004. Within. It refers to a span of time during which something may occur. You should receive a reply within 7 days. 7 days के अंदर अंदर reply आ जाएगा. Next type is prepositions of place. These are the words that tells the positions of the noun. For example, above. It is It is used at or to a higher place or position than something or someone. Our friends in the apartment above us are really noisy. Next is after. One follows the other. After मतलब उसके बाद. He ran after her. उसके पीछे. With the book. By. Near or at the side of. The telephone is by the window. Beneath. Under someone or something. Jamie hid the letter beneath a pile of papers. उसके नीचे. Beneath. Next to or beside. At the side of someone or something. Beside मतलब उसके side में. Beside. We lay beside the pool to dry off in the sun. Near or close to. A short distance from a person or a thing. जब बहुत थोड़ा डिस्टेंस हो पर्सन और थिंग के बीच में. देयर इज़ अ bush नियर द स्कूल प्ले ग्राउंड. बिटवीन. बीच में. देयर इज़ अ गल्फ बिटवीन द टू सिटीज़. टू सिटीज़ के बीच में है वो गल्फ. among. In the middle of or surrounded by other people or things. The girl quickly disappeared among the crowds. In front of. एकदम सामने. They massed in front of the city hall. Behind मतलब पीछे. The horse fell behind in the race. Across from opposite. It is in a position facing someone or something but on the other side. The hospital is opposite the post office. Under, below or at a lower level than something or covered by something. We slept under the open sky. Under मतलब नीचे. The cat is under the table. Table के नीचे है वो. Below. In a lower place or a position than something else. He dived below the surface of the water. अब अंडर का भी मतलब नीचे होता है. बिलो का भी मतलब नीचे ही होता है. बहुत थिन डिफरेंस है. कोई ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. अंडर जैसे कैट नीचे बैठी हुई है. टेबल के नीचे है. वो टेबल को टच नहीं कर रही है. दैट इज़ अंडर. बिलो. बिलो. ही डाइव्ड बिलो द सर्फेस ऑफ द वाटर. वो सर्फेस ऑफ द वाटर जो वाटर का सर्फेस है वो टच कर रही है. थोड़ा सा है नीचे पर थोड़ा सा टच कर रही है. दैट इज़ द थिन डिफरेंस. ओवर ऑन समथिंग और कवरिंग इट. शी हेल्ड द अम्ब्रेला ओवर बोथ ऑफ अस. ओवर. अब ओवर का ये मतलब होता है जब आप किसी चीज़ को क्रॉस करते हो, उसके ऊपर से निकलते हो. अबव. अबव जनरली अबव और ओवर में थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन होता है. दोनों का ही मतलब ऊपर होता है. ओवर मतलब किसी चीज़ से आप क्रॉस कर रहे हो. जैसे आप किसी टेबल से कूद रहे हो. सो दैट इज़ यू आर जंपिंग ओवर द टेबल. अबव मतलब आप टेबल के ऊपर हो. जस्ट ऊपर हो. टच नहीं कर रहे हो टेबल को पर ऊपर हो. आप टेबल को क्रॉस नहीं कर रहे हो उस टाइम पे. So the fan is above your head. ऊपर है आपके हेड. वो फैन क्रॉस नहीं कर रहा है आपके हेड को. Next type is positions of movement. Direction. It is also called direction. First is to. It is used to indicate a destination or a direction. The boys go to school in groups. Go to school. Towards. In the direction of someone or something. She pushed her face towards him. Towards. उसकी तरफ. Through. Movement from one side to another but in something such as long grass or a forest. David walked slowly through the woods. Through का मतलब होता है जब आप किसी चीज़ से पास कर रहे हो. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आप कहीं जा रहे हो तो आप फॉरेस्ट से गुज़र रहे हो. फॉरेस्ट से पास कर रहे हो और फिर आप अपनी डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंच गए. इनटू. Movement that enters a space, usually with a verb that expresses movement. Don't put new wine into old bottles. Over. Movement is a higher level than something else. He jumped over the wall. Movement है यहाँ पे. Across. Movement from one side of something to the opposite side. The truck skidded sideways across the road. Along. Movement of something in a line that follows the side of something long. We went for a walk along the beach at twilight. From. The place where someone or something starts. What time does the flight from Korea arrive? Around. Movement in circles or in the vicinity of something. Generally movement in circles. Her hair whipped around her face in the wind. Onto. Movement to a position on a surface. I slipped as I stepped onto the platform. Up. Movement to a higher position. She doesn't like riding her bike up these hills. Down indicates movement to a lower position. It's easier to run down the hill than go up. Next is prepositions of agent or instrument. Agent means people or instrument means anything. For example, these prepositions indicate that an action conducted on a noun is caused by another noun. They are called prepositions of agent. For example, Ramayana was written by Valmiki. रामायण को किसने लिखा था? वाल्मीकि ने लिखा था. सो इट वॉज रिटन कि लिखा गया था बाय वाल्मीकि. She was hit by a car while she was going to a school. किससे हिट हुई थी वो? कार से. She graduated with an honors degree. किसके साथ वो ग्रेजुएट हुई? ऑनर्स डिग्री के साथ. I opened my closet with a key. किससे मैंने ओपन करा क्लोजेट? की से. He came to the school by car. किससे आया वो स्कूल? बाय कार. नेक्स्ट इज फ्रेजल. फ्रेजल prepositions. फ्रेजल prepositions का मतलब होता है जब दो prepositions एक साथ यूज़ करे जाएं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. Its meaning is to be excited about something, what will happen in the future. I look forward to our next meeting. Next is look down on. Think that someone is not as cool as you are. He looked down on me. Come up with. It means having an idea. What have you come up with? Put up with. It means bear or tolerate. She has to put up with a lot of stuff at work. Look up to. It means to admire or to respect. I look up to my parents. Keep up with. It means do something very fast. At the same speed as someone else. You're walking too fast. I can't keep up with you. Run out of. There is no more of something. We need to buy bread. We have run out of it. हमारे पास ही नहीं है, ख़त्म हो चुका है. Make up with. Start being friends again after a fight. We have made up with Julie. We missed her. Come down with. That is you have become sick. She's come down with the flu. Cut down on. It means do less of something. I need to cut down on sugar. Next is break up with. It means you have to stop having a relationship. Kate broke up with Mark. So these were the types of prepositions and the definition. Thank you. This is the end of the session. Please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.